Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. This is a requested recipe. You guys wanted me to make a very simple recipe. This one is hard to make, macaroni and saltfish. I'm going to show you how I make this in my kitchen. Many people may use different ingredients in there, but I try to make mine as simple and tasty as can be. So if you want to see how I do my macaroni and saltfish in my kitchen, come on and let's get started.
Jamaican, here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Now guys, let's talk about our macaroni. You can use whatever kind of macaroni you want. You can use wheat, you can use whatever. We'll put it up on the shelf, use it. Now, all I did with this one was make sure when you're boiling it, you add a little bit of olive oil to it and a little bit of salt. Macaroni. Now let's talk about the saltfish. This is boneless saltfish. Soak your saltfish overnight if you're not going to cook it the next day, or you can just go ahead and boil it. Boil it one time, throw out the water, boil it the second time, throw out the water, pick it up nice, and there you have your saltfish already. Also to that, I'm going to add some tomatoes, onions, green pepper, and a little piece of hot pepper in it. I don't want it overly spicy. Alright, I'm going to add some garlic, teaspoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of Jamaican all-purpose season. That's all I'm going to put tonight. Come on and let's get started. Okay guys, I have my pot on my fire right there, and all I'm going to do is add the cooking oil in it. The first thing I like to do is add my garlic in, because the garlic gives a lot of flavor. So I had my peppers in, my hot pepper, onions, and my tomatoes. Gonna add some vinegar to that. I know I'm not putting up the vinegar. Then I'm add my saltfish and let all that come together. Then I go ahead and put my macaroni in. Now you want to go ahead and give it flavor, so you're gonna put your black pepper and your all-purpose seasoning. Hey, want people come back and eat your food, you know. Make sure your fire is down, low to medium heat. And that is how simple that is. Now go ahead and now cover this up, because more all the onion and the pepper and everything to come together with flavor from the saltfish. Now if you notice, I didn't put any salt in it. That's because my saltfish already has salt into it. So if you want to add extra salt to yours, go ahead and do so. But my good. I'm going to go ahead and put the cover on. 5 minutes, I'll come back and we're ready to eat. See you back. So, okay guys, my saltfish and macaroni is finished. Perfect. Now guys, you can eat this up with fried dumpling. I love it with fried dumpling. You can eat it up as a side dish, but I love fried dumpling with this. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe guys. Fast, easy, and simple. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So, see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.